Exodus Wallet Pricing explained what you get for your money. Exodus Wallet Pricing explained what you get for your money. Exodus is a popular software wallet known for its sleek interface and multi-asset support, but most people get this wrong by assuming it charges monthly fees. The surprising truth is that Exodus is free to download and use, with fees only applying to network transactions when sending crypto. Sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies through Exodus incurs standard blockchain fees. These are dynamic and depend on network congestion. For example, a Bitcoin transfer might cost a few dollars, while Ethereum gas fees fluctuate with network demand. Exodus does not add extra markup, so you pay only what the blockchain requires. Exodus also offers built-in exchange functionality, allowing users to swap assets directly in the wallet. Exchange fees are transparent, ranging from 0.5% to 5% depending on the cryptocurrency pair. This convenience eliminates the need for third-party exchanges and keeps your private keys safe. Another key feature is a portfolio tracker and live charts. Users can monitor over 300 cryptocurrencies in one place without additional costs. For investors holding multiple assets, this saves time and provides valuable insights into performance and allocation. The surprising truth is that while Exodus is free to use, the value comes from its security, simplicity, and built-in tools. Paired with Trezor hardware wallets, Exodus also offers offline storage options for enhanced safety. In conclusion, Exodus Wallet provides a fee-free, intuitive platform for managing crypto with transparent transaction costs. Whether sending, swapping, or tracking multiple assets, Exodus combines convenience and security, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users looking for a no-surprise pricing model.